When you hear that waste plastics and old tires can be converted into industrial oil, your first thought might be, how much is this stuff worth? Interestingly, for a long time, the entire industry couldn't provide a standard answer. In the early stages of the industry, pyrolysis oil was mainly used as a low-grade alternative fuel for brick kilns, ceramic factories, and other terminals. Its pricing was heavily dependent on the international crude oil market. Typically, about 60 to 70% of crude oil prices. There was no independent and transparent benchmark, and transactions were highly dependent on regional negotiations. In October 2023, ICIS launched the world's first independent pyrolysis oil price index. Soon after, other agencies like Argus and Platts Energy Information followed suit, establishing a diversified index system covering the European and American markets. Pyrolysis oil officially bid farewell to the era of being an appendage of crude oil. What's more critical is that the premium logic has shifted from calorific value to green attributes. Pyrolysis oil that obtains ISCC Plus certification because it helps petrochemical companies produce compliant recycled plastics often commands a significant premium. At the same time, its carbon reduction contribution relative to fossil fuels is now directly reflected in its price through the carbon trading market. As experts say, in the future, the price dynamics of pyrolysis oil will be more determined by packaging, recycling regulations, carbon taxes, and ESG investment scales, rather than crude oil. Do you think that green premiums can support the independent pricing of pyrolysis oil? Let me know if you need any adjustments.